I am Dilip Thakkar. I am from the founder family of 46-year-old traditional Gujarati Thali brand Gopi, having two locations. One is at Ashram Road and one at Prahlad Nagar. I love to touch hearts of the people, and I have learned and heard and studied also that way to people's heart goes through stomach. So I am trying to touch many hearts every day by serving delicious food and excellent hospitality. Before you jump into any new business, either you should be qualified in that sector or you should take the advice of people who are qualified in that trade, so you will not go fail, because nowadays business has become 360-degree approach. Business do not run like earlier days just by gut feeling. Anybody wants to be successful in the business, one needs to be very disciplined. You should be treating your business as an army sector. Secondly, your communication skill has to be in the place. You cannot afford to be loose in your communication, that somebody has called up and you are not picking up the phone, or somebody has sent you the message to book the order of your particular segment. ब्लू टिक हो गया है, आप जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे हैं. Customer never waits. Your business will get diverted somewhere else. Third is you should be very updated through any medium, maybe print media or electronic media, what is happening in the world. If war is happening, you should have controlled inventory, so you will not be the loser in the business. And basically you have to be a good human being. Being in this business for almost 5 decades, given a choice, I preferred vegetables and salads, because I have seen tons of food in front of my eyes getting cooked, have tasted, have served. So I would not say I will never get fed up with the food, but एक saturation सा आ गया है. तो given a choice, I prefer vegetables like broccoli, mushroom, baby corn, zucchini, and exotic vegetables, which is not our regular food and which is lighter at the stomach. Given a choice, if I have to relax or rejuvenate, I would prefer the seashore. I would love to go to ocean where I can see the limitless ocean and can be with myself. I am fond of movies, and one movie I have seen number of times, that is Ijazat by Gulzar, which is a beautiful movie. I have read the book called Dare to Dream by Bachi Karkaria on the life of Mr. M.S. Oberoi. He was used to own multiple hotels, and he was used to visit his hotels very randomly, surprisingly. Once he went to one of his hotel's coffee shop, sitting on the table, and next table the girl ordered something and she refused, that I don't want to have it, and she was going annoyed. He got up, hold the hand of that girl and tell her one thing, that you should never accept anything in the life which is not of a good standard in life and in the hotel. This I remember, and I always practice to provide the best things. मेरी जिंदगी पे कोई मूवी कोई बनाएगा तो you should never give up. तुम्हें अपना खुदा बनाएंगे, बेटा दिल की तमन्ना यही है. This is a song from Hassel Jackman movie. I love this song.